You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these indigenous people or tribe. If you want to learn more American English pronunciations, Native English, Native American English, stay tuned. Powhatan in British English, Powhatan. In American English, however, it's usually pronounced as Powhatan. The stress on the last syllable. American English, Powhatan. British English, Powhatan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.